Hi fam, it's your mentor Josao here again with another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to take you step by step, show you how to get free crypto on the Binance exchange. If you find value at the end, it's going to make my day if you subscribe, like and share this video. And if you do have any question, just drop them in the comment section. So without wasting time, let's jump right into this particular video. The platform which you are looking at is Binance Exchange. At the time of recording this video, Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. An exchange is a place where trading activity occurs. To be specific, crypto trading. It means you can buy and sell your cryptos on the Binance exchange. So you can use the link in the description or check the comment section, the one that is pinned, to create and verify your account. I have more tutorials. You can just check the Binance playlist to open your account to create or verify. So that's been said, now what you need to do to get free cryptos, all right, you just have to spend 2 to 5 minutes and you're going to earn free cryptos without using your money at all, without even using your card. So you need to just come here. You're going to say learn and earn. Now you are going to be able to learn about a particular new crypto project, and they are going to ask you questions, very basic easy questions. All right, you need to meet some criteria. So you just look for learn and earn here. It's going to be available here. If it's not available, go to this more option. Okay, go to this more option, you press, then you go to the top here. All right, press, type learn, and you are going to say learn and earn. So you either press the interface or you tap this one. When you tap, you just have to wait a little. It's going to show you. Just tap this again. It's going to take you to the home page. All right, so if you click and show you home page error, just click again. So this is Binance Academy. This is a particular place where you tend to learn about the services of Binance. If you're a complete beginner, you tend to understand all this. You can check my playlist also to understand more about Binance, like how to create your account, how to deposit, how to withdraw, how to buy your first crypto using the Binance exchange. Make sure you use the link. That's a way of supporting the channel, and you are going to get free cryptos as well. So Binance Academy, this is blockchain and crypto education. So now if you just go down, you're going to see different projects here. All right, different projects here as you are currently seeing. So what you are now supposed to do, you can tap learn now, or you scroll down. Let's say you are interested in this particular, these are latest content, these are intermediate level. If you are a beginner, I will not advise you to start this. You need to have basic. It's easy also, but it's just intermediate level. And this is altcoin. Any other cryptocurrency apart from Bitcoin, we have different cryptocurrency. We have Bitcoin. We have categories that are called altcoins, like the Ethereum, the Solana. They are all altcoin. Any other cryptocurrency apart from Bitcoin is referred to as altcoin. All right, alt is alternative coin. These are coins that are alternative to the Bitcoin. So what is space and time? This is the abbreviation XSXT. So this is going to take you 5 minutes to answer. After you have asked to watch the video, you read, they are going to ask you a question. When you do pass, they are going to deposit fund. But now let's go to the top here. Learn now. Tab now. So earn free crypto through learning. Yes, you learn and also you are going to benefit. You can tab here for activity rules. You tab here. So you need to follow, you read all this. What is Binance Learn and Earn? So how to participate, you log into your Binance account. So you just go through all this process, and just for you to know the rules, okay, but nothing to worry about. So I'll go back to this interface, tab again, and I'll still tab this learn now. Make sure you go through the rules. Then now you come to this particular area where you see all. So ongoing activities, if you want to see the ones that are currently ongoing, you tab here. Currently, just this one is available. Okay, if you tap all, you're going to see even the past ones. This one have ended. So you just need to come here. They are not always going to be available. Probably within the week you can see 2, or within the month you can see 2, 3. Not all the time. So now you see this one. What is Solve Protocol? SOLV. So they explain about this particular crypto, this particular project. So you need to follow this instruction. This quiz and reward is only eligible for users who have no staking record before. So what is staking? Staking is when you do have I'm not eligible for this. Staking is when you do have a crypto, and you don't want to sell the crypto, you just want to like what, borrow the crypto, or you lend the crypto to Binance, which means like they will be giving you daily commission, daily interest. For example, let's say I have like this SOLV now. Let's say I have like one. When I do borrow this crypto, Binance is going to use this also to borrow other like users, and at the end of the day, they are going to be giving Binance interest. From the interest which Binance is making, they are also going to pay you back. So they are saying, if you have staked before, I stake like a lot of my coin, like the USDT, my Ethereum, and other. So currently, I don't like what, I'm not eligible for this. So all you need to do is like what, you start learning, press start learning. I'm going very slowly. If you're interested in our mentorship, you can just check our website, www.josephsiseconcept.com. All right, I do offer mentorship for beginners, intermediate, and professional advanced traders as well, for 1 month, and we have 2 months and more. Even if you are busy with work, we can still work on with your schedule. So you come here, what is Solve Protocol? You just need to read this one, and you watch this 3-minute video. Okay, you watch this 3-minute video.
What
So
is
after
Solve
which, you
Protocol?
just read.
Solve?
You
Since
see, they tend to
2009,
explain everything here. All right, watch this completely, because this is where they are going to ask you question. When you do, you get the correct answer, they are going to reward you. After which, you tab here. All right, so you tab here. This now the intermediate level, and you try to go from, this is like the script from the video. You check everything here. All right, you check everything. Now, as soon as you are done, like the closing thoughts and all, you are going to see now take quiz. All right, I'm not like eligible, so it's not available for me. So as soon as you say take quiz, you are going to like, they are going to ask you like, what is Solve Protocol? Then you explain Solve Protocol is how an on-chain platform. You are going to have like options, not as if you are going to type. Okay, then you select A, B, C, the correct one, then maybe 2-3 questions, then you are good. Some projects might have 5 questions, some might only have like 3, some might have 10, some might have 15 questions. Then at the end of the day, they are going to just send your crypto. When they do send the crypto, you are going to find them here. All right, you are going to find them from what, the dashboard. You are going to see the total. If you go to like assets here, okay, when you go to asset, you are going to see what your entire worth of cryptos that are available here. Okay, so this is how you tend to earn free cryptos. If you are a complete beginner, you are looking for ways to earn cryptos, you don't have cash currently, I believe you can start up with this, and as you are going, then definitely you'll be able to like get cash. I'll also share like a lot of other free ways to earn crypto. You can check my crypto for beginners playlist if you are interested in cryptocurrency. Watch all the videos, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, stay blessed, fam. I'm Josao. I'm from Sierra Leone, West Africa.